Cities face congestion, pollution, and limited space. To improve mobility, we need a shared language. The Navigator is a conceptual framework that makes mobility systems visible. It maps 46 policy domains, 435 concepts, and 181 cities, creating a shared language to improve mobility. We assess cities to reveal a pattern, not just a score. This shows structural weaknesses, comparable cities, and what it takes to improve. The Delta calculator even estimates the time, cost, and political effort needed to advance. The Navigator is unique. It's evidence-based, with over 8,000 supporting documents. It's self-learning, automatically processing new data. Available in 7 languages, it lets users share knowledge while retaining control, creating a shared memory for European urban mobility. The Navigator is for municipalities, consultants, researchers, and European programs, helping them share knowledge and make smarter choices together. The Navigator is undergoing scientific validation and will be available online soon. Please get in touch to support or get involved.